Hello everyone, I am Sunanta from SNS College of Technology, Department of Mathematics. As the continuation of the lecture series, in this video we are going to see graphical representations. Here the contents of the video are introduction to graphical representations, common graphical examples, advanced graphical representations, specialized graphical techniques, interactive and dynamic graphical examples, best practices and design tips, then case studies and real world applications. Now let us get into the video. The first one is introduction. So in this we are going to see what is graphical representation, use of graphical representation and key benefits in data visualization. The first one is a graphical representation. Visually represents data or information through charts, graphs or diagrams, making complex details easier to understand and interpret quickly. Next is why to use graphical representations. So graphical representations simplify complex data, enhance understanding, reveals patterns and support quicker decision making, making information more accessible and engaging for diverse audiences. Next is key benefits of data visualization. So graphical representations simplify complex data, enhance pattern recognition, support quick decision making, improve communication clarity and enable effective comparison, making data visualization essential for insightful analysis. The next is graphical representation types. So here we can classify this into many types. First one is charts, next is graphs, diagrams, infographics, maps, spatial representations. Here first let us see what is charts and graphs. So in charts and graphs, it is used to visually present data, making complex information easier to understand. They highlight trends, comparisons and relationships, aiding quick analysis and effective communication. The next one is diagram and infographics. So diagrams simplify complex information through structured visuals, while infographics combine data and design to communicate insights quickly and effectively, enhancing understanding and engagement. So next one is maps and spatial representations. So maps visually depict geographic information, illustrating spatial relationships and patterns. They enhance understanding for location-based data through symbols, colors and scales for effective communication. The next one is common graphical examples. So there are structure and components, uses of cases and examples. Next, bar and column pros and cons. It is bar and column charts clearly show comparison and trends but can oversimplify data, struggle with large data sets and may mislead if scales are inconsistent or categories are numerous. So now let us see the line and area graphs. So displaying trends over time. So line and area graphs effectively display trends over time by illustrating changes in data points, continuously highlighting increase and decrease and overall pattern clearly and intuitively. Next is typical applications. So line and area graphs are typically used to track changes over time, compare trends and visualize cumulative data in fields like finance, sales, weather and population studies. Next is variation and enhancement. So line and area graphs effectively show trends and comparisons over time. Enhancements like color, shading, markers and grid lines improve clarity and highlights key variations for better data interpretations. The next one is pie charts and donut charts. These are also one type of graphical representation in which pie and donuts effectively show proportions by visualizing segments data, making it easily to compare parts to whole. Donut charts add space for central labels, enhancing clarity. Next is design and best practice. So use contrasting colors for segments, limit slices to enhance clarity, label directly for quick understanding and maintain consistent spaces to improve readability and visual appeal in pie and donut charts. The next one is scatter and bubble charts. So in this, scatter plots reveal correlation between two variables, while bubble charts add a third variable through size, enhancing multidimensional relationship analysis and providing deeper insights in data patterns. So this is used in business and science, And it is also used in customization techniques include adjusting marker size, color gradient, transparency and labels to enhance data clarity and emphasize key patterns in scatterplot and bubble charts. So again, there are a few more graph types, which are heat maps and choropleth maps. Next, we can use flow charts, network diagrams also. Next is, let us see where this is used in real world applications. So it is used in business, in research, in educational and to in the class, to classify the students. We can use this pie charts also. To classify the marks of the students, we can use this graphical representations. Thank you.